Because I got business to conduct in there.
What's your business?
My business is gathering
You
public.
got ID on you? Because I asked for it. That falls under implied consent. So, let me see your ID.
So I ain't got no ID.
All right, what's your name, dude?
Did you suspect me of committing a crime?
What is your name?
Do you suspect me of committing a
I do.
crime?
What is your name?
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
What is your name?
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
All right, we can do this the hard way, or we can do this the easy way.
We can do it the either way. If I don't give your name, will you arrest me? If I don't give you my name, will I be arrested? I'm asking.
Will you let me talk for a second? Let me explain something to you. Do you have a Mississippi ID or a Mississippi driver's license?
I do.
Okay.
In Madison, Mississippi, a free press journalist exercising his legal right to film in public was forcibly escorted out of the Madison County Sheriff's Department by 1st Deputy Malone, badge SO29. The situation escalated intensely as the officer repeatedly refused to provide a legal basis for his actions, instead issuing a hard way or easy way ultimatum to compel the citizen to produce identification. The confrontation peaked when the officer utilized a severely flawed legal argument regarding driver's license signatures to manipulate the citizen's constitutional right to privacy. Is a police officer's hard way or easy way ultimatum actually rooted in law, or is it merely a psychological tactic designed to strip away your right to an ID refusal? When law enforcement does not know the law, what happens to your constitutional rights if you don't know how to defend them? Join us as we analyze the thin line between police orders and civil liberties in this high-tension encounter. Welcome to ID Refusal 101, where we equip you with legal knowledge to protect your citizen rights. Our sincere gratitude to the original channel for recording this invaluable documentary footage. Please follow and support the original channel to view the full incident and similar content. Welcome to ID Refusal 101. We're here to arm you with legal knowledge to protect yourself. Subscribe now to know your rights and how to assert them. And now, enjoy the video.
How you doing, sir? I'm a journalist for a story. Can I get your name back? Journalist, gathering content for a story. I'm trying to back up a little bit. You kind of close.
No. Who are you a journalist for?
I'm a free press journalist.
Free press journalist?
Yes.
Where's your press
Can I get your name back, no, sir? So I can know who I'm having contact with?
Well, let me see your press
Do you know
pass.
the United States do not issue a press pass because it's in the First Amendment of the Constitution?
Yeah, I do that.
Free press?
I do.
Okay, well, I don't need a press badge.
Okay.
Okay. Can I get your name and badge number, sir, first?
Deputy Malone,
Definitely my own badge number?
SO29.
Thank you. Okay, now what was you saying?
So, where's your ID?
I need an ID?
Yeah, I need an ID.
Am I doing anything wrong?
Well, we get a call up here for y'all up here.
I understand you get a call, but am I doing it? Have I broke the law? Have I broke the law?
No, but did you get permission to come up here and film?
Free press don't have to have permission.
I mean, y'all could film out there.
We can film here. This is a public building, right? If I need to
Y'all
do,
can film out there.
if I need to conduct business in here, can I?
Well, what's your business up here?
Recording.
Recording what?
Recording what I can see. I'm really gathering content, gathering matters of public interest. I'm giving out bail bonds. I'm just giving them.
Okay, let's step out here and talk.
We got to step out here.
Yeah, we got to step out there and talk.
The encounter ignites as Deputy Malone, badge SO29, approaches the free press journalist and immediately demands ID without any legal justification. Malone's behavior is a classic example of police misconduct, demanding a government-issued press pass, a document that does not exist because the First Amendment inherently protects the freedom of the press. By repeatedly attempting to break the journalist's ID refusal through persistent demands for identification, Malone oversteps the boundaries of the Fourth Amendment. Legally, an officer can only compel identification if they have reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime has been, is being, or is about to be committed. A mere call for service without a specific legal violation is insufficient to strip a citizen of their right to ID refusal. The journalist is legally correct. Public lobbies are open for public business, and recording is a constitutionally protected activity. In similar situations, you should maintain your ID refusal, calmly ask the officer to articulate the specific crime suspected and record everything to document potential police versus law conflicts. Standing firm on ID refusal is essential to curbing authority overreach in public spaces.
Okay, like you want to grab me.
No, step out there,
I'm saying if I don't step out there, will
It'll
you?
be failure to comply with a lawful order. Let's step out.
So
That's a charge. Let's step out.
So if I don't go outside right now, you will arrest me.
Maybe. If you just
I need you to tell me.
if you just come out there.
I just need you to tell me you're going to arrest me if I don't leave. I need standing in court.
Okay. Well, I need to talk to you out there.
I understand. I need standing in court. If we can talk right here.
I got it. There, look, let's go out.
I'm saying we are in public.
That's public.
This public too. It said it's a public building. I can come in here and conduct business, and I am conducting business.
Let's go out there.
If I don't leave, would you arrest? Because if you tell me I'll be arrested if I don't leave, I'm leaving. I promise. All you gotta do
Stay
is
out there for me.
he wants you to stay. But if you tell me I'll be arrested if I don't leave, I promise I'm leaving. We don't have to go there.
Well, let me see some ID. That way we know who we're talking to.
Listen, if I don't permit ID, if I'm not engaged in committing a crime, if you don't see me committing a crime, about to commit a crime, or have committed a crime, I'm legally right in my Fourth Amendment right to
Let's
keep
go
my.
out there.
I understand.
Fourth Amendment's unreasonable search and seizure. So let's go. Let's go.
I know unreasonable. That means
Let's go.
my privacy.
All right. I'm not going to tell you again.
I'm going to be arrested? Okay.
Let's go. Now, I'm going to walk you out.
touched
You're
me.
not being arrested.
But do you really hindering my? Do you see what you're doing, officer? You pushing me out.
Well, we can talk out here. This is public. You can film all day long out here.
I'm saying why I can't film in here. This is public too.
You can film all day long out here.
So now, this is what I'm gonna ask you. If I can't go, I'm going back in there when we get through talking. Because I got business to conduct in there.
What's your business?
My business is gathering
You
public.
got ID on you? Because I asked for it. That falls under apply consent. So, let me see your ID.
So I ain't got no ID.
All right, what's your name, dude?
Did you suspect me of committing a crime?
What is your name?
Do you suspect me of committing a
I do.
crime?
What is your name?
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
What is your name?
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
All right, we can do this the hard way, or we can do this the easy way.
We can do it the either way. If I don't give your name, will you arrest me? If I don't give you my name, will I be arrested? I'm asking.
Will you let me talk for a second? Let me explain something to you. Do you have a Mississippi ID or a Mississippi driver's
I
license?
do.
Okay.
The situation escalates as Deputy Malone physically forces the journalist out of the public lobby, an act bordering on unlawful escort and interference with protected activities. Malone issues a coercive hard way or easy way ultimatum to break the journalist's ID refusal, directly challenging Fourth Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures. The most significant legal misinformation occurs when Malone claims that signing a Mississippi driver's license constitutes permanent consent to provide ID upon any officer's whim. This is a blatant misinterpretation of the law. ID refusal remains a constitutional right unless a lawful stop is initiated based on reasonable suspicion of a crime. The journalist correctly asserts his right to remain in a public space to conduct business. To effectively manage such police misconduct, you must remain steadfast in your ID refusal, record the physical contact as unwanted touch, and demand the officer articulate a specific legal statute that overrides your constitutional privacy. Consistent ID refusal is your primary defense against such police versus law overreach.
You know, when you sign that license, you're giving consent upon the officer's request for that license.
When I sign that license, I don't give up my rights to.
But you are giving consent.
I don't give up my rights to privacy. I do not give up my rights to privacy. You got to have me. You got to have a charge to figure out who I am. You got
No,
to.
I don't.
You do. And if you think this will, trust me, it's on camera what you're saying. It's on camera what you're telling me. And I don't think I'm out here for nothing. I don't think I don't know what I'm doing. I'm looking for officers who know what they're doing, who know their job right. This is really what this investigation is about. But now you can make yourself.
Why are you coming up here?
Because I'm trying to. Okay, do you know? Have you ever heard of checks and balances? That what
Checks
this
and
is.
balances.
Okay,
but why are you coming up here if you're looking for?
I just want to be left alone. I just want to come up here and exercise my rights.
43, where are you at?
I just want to exercise my rights and be left alone.
Well, that's fine.
Okay, well
They
then
don't
you.
want you recording
But
there.
it's not the. If I haven't broken the law, I can be in
They
there.
don't want you recording
If I haven't broken the law, I can be in there, sir. You already
They don't
violated.
want
You don't even know you already have violated my rights. You don't even.
I have not violated
See,
nobody.
that's the crazy part. You don't even know you
I
have.
haven't violated your
This
rights.
you the officer I come to educate. Because you don't even know you just
Educate.
violated. Yes, because I was in a public space doing nothing wrong, and I could be here till it close. It's called time, place, and manner. I was peacefully recording during the business hours.
Okay. Well, you can record out here.
I can record in there. That sign there, it needs to have a statute or a law back to back it up.
See, that says
It needs to have
no
a-
cell phones allowed
Do you-
in the lobby.
Do you hear what I
right?
said? It needs to have a statute
No
or a
cell
law.
phones allowed in the lobby.
I understand. Listen to me, officer.
No weapons.
Listen, that needs to have to go against the Constitution. To go against the Constitution, that statute needs to have a law back to back it up. And there's no,
To these individuals right now, just balloons.
there's no way you could turn what I'm doing into a crime. But this is what I'm
not
doing.
turning it into a crime.
What I'm doing is
What I'm
constitutionally protected.
I said
They're
no cell phones
recording this public.
allowed inside the lobby. No
That's not.
weapons
That
allowed
is not a
in the
law, officer. That's not a law. That's not a law. It just it can say no black people. You don't want me going there? It's a request. It's a request. It's not a law. It would
lobby.
have.
Y'all ask if y'all can record.
We don't have to. Free press don't need permission. Remember that. Exercising rights, you don't need no permission to exercise your rights. Do you know that?
Hey, I understand that.
But you say you understand, but you just kicked me.
Here's the thing, though.
You just kicked me out of here. I'm really going back in there. Tell me if I go back in there, I would be arrested or not. I'm going back in. I'm telling you right now. I'm really trying. I'm giving you a chance to stop me. Just say if you go back in there, you will be arrested. Other than that, I'm headed back in there.
No.
Just tell me.
No. See,
Can I get your supervisor?
you want the supervisor?
Yes, sir.
29 to 11.
How you doing, sir?
It's just a teaching moment. That's all.
Teach them all?
Yeah, this is an educational
That's
video.
all we doing is educate people about their rights and what's constitutionally protected. That's all we do.
And this is what we're doing in this public space. We should be able to record all that, and you should uphold the right for me to go in there. And because you know it's a case law saying I'm able to record my government officials in the course of their duty. Do you know that? So those people.
I'm not stopping you.
Listen to
from
what I'm saying.
recording.
Listen to
I'm
me.
not stopping
Those
you
people
from-
in there are government officials. I can
But
record
I'm not
them in the
stopping-
course.
but I'm
Okay,
not
well I'm going
stopping
back. I'm going back. Okay, you stopping me now. You
I
see?
am
See? I just want to make sure. I just want y'all to see. Trust me, you know I don't want no problem. You can tell. I really.
Y'all can obviously read, right?
But it got to have a listen. This is
Okay, then tell me what that.
this is where the education is coming. It's not a statute. It's just
Tell me what the
a
statute. Tell me the statute number.
It's not one. It's no statute made to stop people from
Tell me
recording.
the statute number for that.
It ain't there.
Yeah, there is a statute number. For
It might be.
that.
It's not.
There is a statute
Recording.
number
You
in
cannot
that.
make a law. You cannot make a statute that exceeds the Constitution. The Constitution is the law of the land. You can't tell me that a statute that y'all wrote goes
But I'm saying,
differently.
What I'm saying is, y'all have every right to go in there.
Thank you.
But
Oh,
not
wait a minute.
that.
Yes, we can. Because we are. Listen, free press is a right of the people. There's no law you can make to stop free press. Listen to what I'm saying. There's no law in the land because that's why they put it there. Free press, free speech, all five elements. I tell you what, if you can tell me all five elements of the First Amendment, I leave. If you can give me all five elements of the First Amendment, I leave right now.
Well, I'm telling you.
I'm just asking. You can get me up out of here. I'm saying we can end this. We can end this right now. If you give me if you give me all five elements of the First Amendment, you can end this right now. That's crazy, ain't it? That's amazing, ain't it? You know, that's the oath you took. You took that oath and don't even know.
Tell me what the five elements of the First Amendment.
The legal showdown intensifies as Deputy Malone attempts to suppress the Free Press journalist's recording by citing internal policy signs. The journalist masterfully counters by demanding the specific statute number that backs these restrictions, correctly arguing that no administrative policy can supersede the First Amendment. Malone's use of non-statutory signs to intimidate a citizen into stopping a protected activity is a clear case of police misconduct. Throughout this exchange, the journalist remains resolute in his ID refusal, maintaining that identity disclosure is not required as no crime has been committed. He further challenges the officers to name the 5 fundamental rights of the First Amendment to highlight their lack of constitutional training. This segment exemplifies the power of ID refusal when combined with legal literacy. If an officer cannot articulate a specific law being broken, they lack the authority to impede public recording. To counter such police versus law scenarios, you must demand specific statutes and hold firm on ID refusal. Exercising ID refusal forces accountability and protects the core principles of the Fourth Amendment against arbitrary authority.
How you doing? Can I get your name back? Lieutenant?
No.
Sergeant?
No, sir. You see that sign right there?
Is it?
You see the sign?
Is it a supervisor?
Absolutely no.
Are you a supervisor?
Cell phones allowed.
Are you a supervisor?
No, I'm not.
You're not. Can I need a supervisor.
We got one coming.
Okay. I'm talking to him. I really don't. Can I get your name? Can I get your name back?
You can read the sign, correct?
Can I get your name back?
Yeah, I'm Deputy Stubblefield, SO 43.
Deputy SO 43. Okay, I'm talking to him now. I can't talk to 2 people at one time. So I don't know. You know what he did there. He is a supervisor. Why would he come get in your business? Tell him don't come get in your business like that. He don't need to do that. You handling this right, ain't you? You got this handled, don't you? You got this. I like you, though. I promise, because I know you want to do right. I can tell, but I see you just don't really know. What we doing is a little bit above your pay grade. That's why I want your supervisor. Yeah, that's why I want your supervisor, because he should know.
Let me see your ID. I need to know who I'm
Before I give you my ID, I want to talk to your supervisor.
I want to know who I'm talking to.
I know you do, but I got the right to my private, my papers in effect. That's my Fourth Amendment. My Fourth Amendment.
The Fourth Amendment.
It's the right to be secure in my personal papers and effect. That's what it is. You understand what I'm saying? That makes sense. As long as I'm in public doing nothing wrong, you shouldn't even ask me for my ID. You should just say, "Sir, it's your right." Because this your job to uphold this. What I'm doing, you should stop people from stopping me from doing this. You see what I'm saying? That's literally your job. It's to stop people from stopping me from trying to pray.
I'm not saying anything.
I know I'm not praying, from trying to record public officials in the course of their do. It's case law on it. I wish, because they told me before you go out there, you need to know how to cite them laws. And I said, I wonder would they let somebody who don't know the laws like that, but know about trespassing laws? Very good. Can a man without the man don't know his law right, that's still exercising? That's what I come out here to do. This is an investigation, if you really want to know. This is an investigation. And you really, I'm telling you right now, because it might can get better. No, you really fail. We're gonna have to deal with the supervisor because you asked me for my ID, which you ain't demanded it, and I appreciate that. Because if you demand it, I'm gonna give it to you. Just trust me. I don't want to go to jail. I didn't come here to go to jail. You understand what I'm saying?
I understand.
So if you end up like you made me, you did me wrong because you pushed me out of there without even. You escorted me out of there with that. You did it physically.
No.
That was physical. That was physical. To unwanted touch is, you got to understand. You got to understand. Unwanted touch is not what you can do to a public citizen that ain't did nothing, haven't did nothing wrong. If I hadn't did nothing wrong, that's not a law. When your supervisor get
Tell me what the law is then.
that is not.
Tell me what you tell me.
You know what?
That's
Do you know what the law is? You got a Constitution book on you? Cause that's the law. That's the law of the land. The First Amendment, Second Amendment, Third Amendment, Fourth Amendment. Those are laws of the land.
Okay, tell me what that law is then.
I know I got the freedom to record in any public space. That's the law. You can go.
It's not public. The jail is private.
No, this ain't. I'm in public right now.
You're in public right here.
That's public.
I told you.
Listen,
can
the
record
public
out
can
here
come in. The public can come in there anytime they want to and conduct business. That means
But
that's
you're
a
not conducting business.
That's it. Listen, in the eyes of the law, recording because I'm a journalist. Listen, what I'm saying. I'm a journalist. Recording is business. You understand what I'm saying? This is business. When you go and sit down for a minute, take a deep breath and think about it, you're gonna be like, damn, they was right. Damn, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna have to go file a complaint on you. I'm gonna have to go file.
You can file a
I know you don't care because you know it's probably gonna get thrown out back. I know. I know how.
Yes, you wouldn't be the first one to file a complaint on that.
Because I'm gonna get you, Jack, and that's gonna be a good thing. I ain't even trying to prove you're a bad officer. I'm just saying it's officers that don't know simple trespassing laws, simple First Amendment rights. It's officers out here, and you are one of them. You see what I'm saying? No, you are one. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you. If you really have violated my right, I should be in there. We should still be in there talking this out.
You still recording, right?
We should be in there. We should still be in there talking this out. I can.
No.
How you doing? You a supervisor?
What's that?
You supervisor? Oh man, I don't know what y'all doing. What y'all come to do? What y'all come? Y'all might well put some gloves on if y'all gonna come out here this deep.
It is violence because I want
He haven't did anything wrong. Have you did?
broken any class.
He haven't broken any law. See, he trying. Man, we wish y'all. They told. You know what? Do you think? Hey, listen. Let me tell you something. Do you know we're not here on mistake?
What's that?
You know we're not here on mistake.
I know.
You know they told us y'all didn't know this.
Yep,
We was told I would get the best fucking video if I go to Mac, because they don't know nothing. I told them, Madison is good. Them folks like that. And I be damn. I be damn. Listen, officer. They said y'all don't know.
Yep,
They literally said this. And I know, see, I came out here because I want to educate, and I want to show them that y'all do know. You prove, hey, it's shit crazy. But hopefully your supervisor know. If not, if he make us leave, we leaving. And because we automatically need it. If y'all trespassing us from this property, you got to give us a chance to leave first.
Trespassing.
Okay, well what you asking for an ID for?
Because we have a right to ID.
Y'all, a person, you can't.
Mississippi
You
is
can't.
a
This is
right
not a
to
stop.
ID
No, it's
state.
not. No, it's not. Well, if you violate that right today, if you violate that one today, we'll see. I'm not out here for no reason. I know what I'm doing. I'm giving you a chance to do the right thing. This is your call. You really got the call, and you really could show, like, oh man, free press is free out there. Are you saying free press ain't free?
I didn't say free press wasn't free.
And you acting like you just took me out of a public building.
You can't record in there.
I can't. It's
No,
a
you
public
cannot.
building.
No, you cannot. This
Okay,
is public.
if you think so,
This is public.
listen. I'm glad you standing on it, and you know what I'm saying. Just know, you wrong. Just know you're wrong. Just know. I just want you to understand you're wrong. You are very wrong, and I don't want to push the issue because I know it looks like you want to take me to jail. You mad because I done told you no.
No.
You see what I'm saying? You really put your hands on me. I got it on camera, but. We'll get your supervisor out here and we'll see if he understands. We hopefully he understands these rights better than y'all do. And if he don't understand them, y'all will get my ID and I will leave. But it's gonna be, trust me, it's gonna be more of me coming out here. It's gonna be. I know you don't care. I promise you, I know y'all don't care. I know they told me y'all don't give a damn. I'm telling you what I was told when I said I'm still going. I said I'm still gonna go. I said I'm still gonna go because I know if right is right.
Right is right, no matter where you
Now, and it's your job to uphold these rights. You took an oath to these rights, not me. I'm just trying to see if you remember them. How long you been on the force?
But you agitate.
I'm agitating. I didn't agitate them. Ask them.
Well, apparently you did.
It's all on. Listen, can I show you the video?
They called up.
Can I show you the video?
It's all on video. Everything
Hey,
is on video.
show him the video. You ain't record. Show him the video. Show him that I didn't say a word to no. She saw me. She said, "Sir, you can't record in here." I said, "I think I can." You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure I can. It's a public building, right? And I asked. I said, "If I need to come in here to bail somebody out, which I might do in a minute, can I?" She said, "Sure." So I stayed in there and kept recording because it's my right to be in there as a public citizen. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
You said agitating, I wasn't. That's what you wrong at again.
Apparently, I mean, if they call us to tell us to come out here.
But sums up. They just because they don't like what I'm doing, don't mean they can't. They got to respect it though. So one thing about rights, you might not like them, but you got to respect them.
I never said I didn't.
You a supervisor, sir? Okay. Can I get your name back? No. Yeah.
Deputy O'Reilly, 34.
O'Reilly, 34. You?
She fell 51.
I just want to know who all on the scene. You know, so just. We got a lot of cars out here. Let's see what they doing. They call. This truck? Like this? You sure? You know this public property, right? It's called Plainview Doctrine. And this your truck? Who truck this is, officer? Let me get the number on it. So I see who don't like this. Who trying? Hey, you ain't got no truck number? Do you have a truck number, officer? Y'all got body cams? Yeah. Oh, y'all see yours. I see yours. See yours. See yours. Oh, what? Hey, you mind giving me your name back one more time? I know you said it.
That's Stubblefield.
I know you. I appreciate it. Stubblefield don't like his truck recorded. Let's see how. Stubblefield, you okay? Oh, I wanted to hear your excuse. I wanted to hear. Yo, I saw your computer was down. It's okay. Okay.
Computer's on.
I'm saying, so what security? What could you have in there?
Guns, we have.
So me seeing the gun had broke the security of. Oh, makes sense for me. It's Stummerfield. Stummerfield. Come on, Stummerfield. Come on, Stummerfield. Golly. Hey, what time do lobby close? Huh? Okay, we sure was trying to go back in there before they close because we got business to conduct inside that lobby. I'm just waiting on the supervisor because I see y'all would take it too far, so I really would like to have a supervisor before I go back in there. I already have been pushed out of the building. He called it escorting. It might have hurted me, hell. Shit, that shit down there, man. Hell, you don't know how soft my skin is to be escorting me that hard. Don't escort me that hard, man. I mean, believe this man escorted me out of a public building for not committing a crime. This him.
Got a sign that says that.
You study. Listen. Come on, y'all. Look at this sign this man talking about. Let's look for the law up under. There should be a statute wrote up under there.
You tell me the statute number.
There is now. That's why you can't. Yeah, I listen. I'll give you a chance to go to your truck. You can go look up the book. Find a law that goes against recording in a public building. Once you find it, I'm out of here. I'll be here to George Jefferson who wrote this
Since
shit.
you know it, you tell me.
Listen,
You tell me.
I'm telling you, freedom of
Since
press.
you want to educate,
Listen,
you tell me.
listen to the
What's
statute.
What's the statute number?
It's no statute to that. Freedom of the press exceeds
So
any
you're telling
statute.
me there's no statute to both of those signs.
Freedom of the press exceeds any statute you got.
So you're telling me there's no statute number to any of those signs.
It might be a statute to that gun sign, but not to that recording, not to that phone sign. I can guarantee you that. I can guarantee you that. And you got your truck, you got all the means to figure it out. Why don't you go try? I know you got the means to go figure it out. Just go look it up. And when you get through looking it up, say, man, leave them folks alone. Let them folks be. They not doing nothing. They ain't doing over talking a lot of shit, swatting a lot of spit. You know I ain't out here doing shit. Just won't really. I came out here, I was sent out here. They say y'all don't know these simple laws. They said this and I came out here to see. You see what I'm saying? I literally came out here to see because they said, man, I bet you won't go to Madison doing that shit. I bet you won't go. They said, I bet you won't go to Madison doing it. I said, man, them folks out there know the law. Ain't no way they vow to a constitution and don't know it. So we gonna go out here and see if they're gonna uphold what they took their oath to or not. And I'm giving y'all can, y'all can't. I'm really tired of being here because if y'all never showed up, we'll be gone. We'll be gone. That's the craziest part.
It made it a video.
That's the crazy. If y'all never show, we'll be out of here. Damn, they respected our rights. So much for this video. Y'all was wrong about, you understand what I'm saying? But, what we got? Oh, no. Shit. Man, that's the supervisor. What you doing? Get some pussy or something? Damn. Damn, what you doing? I just, man, let me go see. Who truck this is? Can you identify yourself? Y'all keep this thing pretty clean, though. Yeah, they got a nice truck now. Madison got that bread. Just know that. Madison got that bread, man. For real. All right, hey, listen, this is how we gonna do this. I'm really tired. I'm starting sweating. I can talk so damn much. Listen, I'm finna go back in there, all right? Threaten me with the rest and I go in there and I won't. You lying motherfucker. These motherfuckers bad. I like y'all. He said this motherfucker no, he know damn well. I like it. I like it. Now it's restricted. Now the public can't go in there. That's how they work. Now I can't barge through that door. Then I'll be trespassing. Any other than that, I can go with this camera. This camera is my eyes. You can't trespass the eyes, especially on government property. It was the Constitution was wrote like that for a reason. You understand what I'm saying? The Constitution was wrote freedom of press, freedom of speech for a reason, so y'all don't stop us from watching y'all work. You understand?
I didn't say you couldn't record.
You stopped me from going in there watching them. That's a public business. If I needed business, you would be impeding my business right now. And I do have business, and you are impeding my business. Hey. keep it together, stupid Phil. Man, I really want to go, man. Come on, man. He must got him man, your supervisor must got a badass secretary. He can't leave that. His secretary must be a bad motherfucker. I want to go to his office. I'm ready to go to his office, man. Where your supervisor's office at? Where is our department? Right there?
He ain't got an office.
Y'all have a department?
He got a penthouse.
Can you put what street is it on? Just the address to the department. Can you say it out loud? Right there? Okay, I just wanted to so my audience can know the address I'm at. Do you know the address to the?
I do know that. Can
you verbalize it for me, please?
2941 Highway 51.
Thank you, sir. And that is your office. And that's wait a minute. What? That's a public building too. Oh shit! Oh, it can't be called. It's a police station. What if I need to file a report? It can't. Let's see. You open the door? Let's see. I know I ain't never tried to go in. We're gonna get back to them. I promise. Cause they don't know what they doing. They don't know what to do. Look at them. They don't know what the fuck. Let me go back over here. Fuck this shit. Fuck this. Yeah, go send it over. Fuck this. These folks don't know what the fuck to do. Hey, now, okay, let me ask y'all something now. Cause y'all really look confused as fuck. Listen, boom. Now that y'all know I can't go in there, why y'all sticking around there? Oh, we waiting on supervisor?
Yeah, you want to see?
I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna do it. I want to know, do he got his whole team? He got a whole team of, I need to, because bullshit starts from the top, it trickles down. So we're gonna see how the supervisor at. We're gonna see. Trust me, he the man of the hour. Let's sit back and watch this. Don't sit back and watch this. Oh fuck. Oh, look at this nigga. Oh, hell no. Shit. Man, I ain't lying. How you doing, Lieutenant? Sergeant,
Jones, how can I help you?
badge number?
SO11, how can I help you?
SO11. I did. I was gonna say, I ain't called you, they did, but I did call you. Yes, okay. Well, I really want to just put on your supervisor's record, your camera, that I have been pushed out of this building unlawfully. Okay. And now your officers trying to ask me for ID. They're trying to ID me. And they got you really gonna have to ask them why would they ask me for ID. I don't know. Okay. I'm a journalist. Okay. Gathering matters of public interest. Okay. That's it. That's all.
Feel free, go ahead.
They locked the door. They locked the door, man.
Break lock.
I mean, damn, I can't. Since you did so good, I'm gonna tell you, since you did, I ain't gonna even file a complaint on this officer. I appreciate your supervisor. Because I'm telling you, it's above your pay grade. That's all I'm trying to tell you. It's above your pay grade. I know you might not understand that, but some things are. Some things you gotta brush up on. Our Constitution is the highest law of the land. You got to know that, man, when you're dealing with the public. Okay, sir? All right, hey, I'm really talking to you. Okay, thank you, sir. Now, y'all was wrong about Madison. They were wrong about y'all. I really wanted to catch the education. I just wanted to catch the education because this is an education review. I really want to see you educate the officer. Tonight?
How are we going to educate the public?
Tonight? Now he's supervisor for a reason. He's a supervisor for a reason. Well, I'll be damned. I don't even want to go back in there no damn more.
The encounter reaches its resolution as Lieutenant Jones, Badge 11, arrives to supervise the situation after his subordinate's prolonged struggle. The Free Press journalist immediately documents the unlawful physical escort and the baseless ID demands made by Deputy Malone. Unlike Malone's aggressive stance, Lieutenant Jones demonstrates superior legal knowledge by allowing the recording to continue, marking a significant victory for ID refusal. The lower-ranking deputies failed to distinguish between administrative requests and constitutional law. However, the subsequent locking of the lobby doors remains a questionable tactic in public space management. The journalist was legally correct to maintain ID refusal throughout, forcing law enforcement to acknowledge his First Amendment rights. This outcome proves that demanding a supervisor is essential when facing potential police misconduct. In any encounter, standing firm on ID refusal is vital because without reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime, you are not legally obligated to identify. Consistently practicing ID refusal ensures that constitutional protections remain the supreme law of the land. Remember, ID refusal is your primary defense against authority overreach and the first step toward police accountability. The Madison encounter serves as a critical lesson in civil rights. In terms of performance, the Free Press journalist earns an A for his legal literacy and unwavering commitment to ID refusal despite intimidation. Conversely, Deputy Malone receives an F for his physical aggression and spreading legal misinformation to undermine the citizen's ID refusal. Lieutenant Jones earns a B for de-escalating the situation, though locking the public facility remains a concern. The core legal takeaway involves the First and Fourth Amendments. Law enforcement cannot compel you to waive your ID refusal without reasonable, articulable suspicion. To act lawfully, always request badge numbers, maintain your ID refusal, and record the interaction openly. Subscribe to ID Refusal 101 to sharpen your legal defense, and visit the original creators channel to support those documenting constitutional overreach. Your commitment to ID refusal is what keeps the Bill of Rights alive. Should we allow administrative policies to ever override the supreme law of the land?
Knowing your rights isn't being difficult, it's being prepared. If this video helped you understand your legal rights, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below, tell us your story, ask a question, or suggest the next encounter we should break down. This is ID Refusal 101, where we teach the basics of your right. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.